they have
These
that.
days, it's got to be AI and algorithms.
I was going to ask about, yeah.
It's freakish. It's absolutely freakish what's going to happen. So a guy called Imad Mustak is the founder of Stability AI, which is the main alternative to ChatGPT. He was on our advisory board for a couple of years, and then he stepped off the advisory board last year. I'm like, hey, we really need you. And he's like, my world's about to explode. So we got an early look at what was coming with the LLMs. And it's kind of what I find amazing is the founders of those tools are blown away by how good they are, right? So for example, each software developer now can become somewhere between 10 to 100x more effective.
Right.
Marketing, copy, anything to do with software and hardware documentation completely gets redone. So the cost of doing business now drops radically. The cost of doing marketing and sales drops radically. It's a game changer at so many levels. It's unheard of. And I think most people get concerned we'll lose jobs. We absolutely don't see that at all. We think what will happen is we'll just amplify and up-level the capabilities. Just like when we introduced computers, we didn't lose jobs. We now have all these new functions like web designer and funnel analyst. Now we have a new job description called prompt engineer that never existed before.